Ever wonder where the world's wealthiest stash their cash? It's not just in Swiss banks or offshore accounts in the Caribbean. There's a new player in town, and it's turning heads globally. Not in vaults like Scrooge McDuck, but in the Philippines. This vibrant nation is quickly becoming a financial haven for the elite. This Southeast Asian archipelago is becoming the strategic bet for billionaires. With its strategic location, it's a gateway to the booming Asian markets. With a young workforce, a booming economy, and a welcoming government, it's the perfect storm of opportunity. The Philippines offers a dynamic environment where innovation meets tradition. The Philippines, once Asia's underdog, is now rewriting its narrative with billion-dollar investments. From tech startups to real estate, the growth is palpable. We'll explore why billionaires are betting big on the Philippines and what it means for its people. This influx of capital is reshaping the landscape and creating new opportunities. Is this a golden age or just a temporary gold rush? Let's dive into this fascinating economic tale. The stakes are high and the world is watching. So grab a seat because this is one of the most interesting economic stories happening right now. The Philippines is not just a destination, it's a phenomenon. Welcome to the Philippines moment in the spotlight. A nation on the rise, capturing the imagination of investors and dreamers alike. In business, people are everything. The true engine of any thriving economy is its workforce, the energy, creativity, and drive that people bring to the table. When you look at the Philippines, you see a country that's sitting on a demographic goldmine, a resource that's as valuable as any natural asset. The Philippines has what many countries can only dream of, a demographic jackpot. Its population is not only large, but also incredibly young and vibrant, fueling both economic growth and innovation. With a median age of just 25, the nation is bursting with young, dynamic workers ready to make their mark. High literacy rates and widespread English proficiency mean that this workforce is not just large, but also highly skilled and globally competitive. This unique combination has made the Philippines a global hub for call centers and business process outsourcing, where millions of Filipinos provide essential services to companies around the world. But the story doesn't end there. Today, this talented pool is rapidly expanding into new frontiers: software development, game design, financial analysis, and other high-value industries are now thriving, powered by the country's youthful energy and adaptability. Beyond the workplace, this young generation is also shaping the domestic market. Their appetite for new products, services, and experiences is creating a powerful engine for consumer demand, driving innovation and attracting global brands. For investors, the Philippines offers more than just affordable production costs. It presents a ready-made, rapidly growing consumer base that is eager to engage with the latest trends and technologies. As the country continues to develop, its workforce isn't just getting older. It's getting smarter, more productive, and more ambitious, setting the stage for long-term economic success. This youthful advantage is the bedrock of the Philippines' appeal, making it a true demographic goldmine for businesses and investors looking toward the future. The Philippine economy, once seen as unpredictable and lagging behind its neighbors, has undergone a remarkable transformation. Today, it stands as a true powerhouse in Southeast Asia, defying expectations and rewriting its own narrative. The skyline of Manila, dotted with gleaming skyscrapers and bustling with activity, is a testament to this newfound economic vitality. With annual GDP growth rates consistently hovering between 6% and 7% over the past decade, the Philippines has become a magnet for both local and international investors. This robust growth is not just a number, it's a signal that the country is open for business, innovation, and opportunity. Investors are taking notice, pouring capital into industries ranging from technology and finance to real estate and manufacturing. A key pillar of this economic engine is the steady stream of remittances sent home by millions of overseas Filipino workers. These remittances, amounting to billions of dollars each year, provide a reliable flow of foreign currency that helps stabilize the economy, supports families, and fuels local businesses. It's a unique strength that few countries can match. The Philippines' strategic location at the heart of Southeast Asia makes it a natural hub for logistics, shipping, and trade. Its ports are bustling with activity, connecting the archipelago to major global markets and facilitating the movement of goods across the region. As global supply chains shift and companies look for new manufacturing bases, the Philippines is perfectly positioned to benefit. Its skilled workforce, competitive costs, and improving infrastructure make it an attractive destination for multinational corporations seeking resilience and efficiency. At home, a vibrant new middle class is emerging. These upwardly mobile Filipinos are fueling domestic demand, shopping in modern malls, buying new cars, and investing in homes. This growing consumer base creates a virtuous cycle. Investment leads to jobs, jobs lead to higher incomes, and higher incomes lead to more spending on goods, services, and experiences. This cycle strengthens the economy from within, making growth more sustainable and inclusive. This powerful combination of external investment, remittance-driven stability, and a dynamic domestic market makes the Philippines' economic story one of the most compelling in the region. Investors from around the world are taking notice, eager to be part of this growth story. It's a tale of high growth, stable foundations, and a burgeoning consumer class that is shaping the future of the nation. The energy in the streets, the innovation in businesses, and the optimism of young professionals all point to a country on the rise. The Philippines is no longer the underdog in Asia's economic race. It's a rising star, confidently charting its own path toward prosperity and global relevance. The Philippine government is now a helpful partner for investors. New laws like the CREATE Act lower corporate taxes and modernize incentives. The Public Service Act allows full foreign ownership in key sectors. Massive infrastructure projects like Build, Build, Build improve connectivity. Better infrastructure lowers business costs and connects rural areas to urban centers. The government is digitizing services and creating green lanes for investments. The message is clear: the Philippines is open for business. Pro-business reforms and infrastructure spending attract global investors. The system is being redesigned to support investor success. The Philippines is now a priority market for global capital. Big names are investing in the Philippines, validating its potential. Private equity giants like KKR and Blackstone are active in the market. KKR invested in a major telecom infrastructure company, betting on data growth. James Dyson's company is building a tech campus, showcasing confidence in local talent. International firms are partnering with locals in energy, logistics, and data centers. These are strategic investments from sophisticated players. The Philippines is the place to be for the next decade of growth. The influx of major players creates a domino effect, attracting more investors. Billionaires are targeting tech, renewable energy, and tourism in the Philippines. The digital economy is booming with e-commerce, fintech, and creative industries. Investors are building infrastructure like data centers and fiber optic networks. Renewable energy is a win-win, providing clean power and stable revenue. Tourism is expanding with luxury resorts and ecotourism facilities. The government's investment in infrastructure supports these sectors. The Philippines is poised to become a premier destination for unique travel experiences. These sectors are glowing with opportunity, attracting big money bets. Billionaire investments create ripple effects throughout the economy. New projects create high-quality jobs with better pay and benefits. Local businesses spring up around major investments, creating more jobs. The money circulates through the community, benefiting everyone. Investments modernize the country and improve quality of life. New power plants lead to stable and affordable electricity. Infrastructure built for businesses benefits the entire nation. Big bets by billionaires help build a stronger, more connected nation. Investing in the Philippines comes with risks, like political instability. Investors need assurance that rules will remain stable and contracts honored. Infrastructure is improving, but challenges like traffic congestion remain. High electricity costs can be a significant expense for industries. Social and environmental risks must be considered for sustainable growth. Rapid development can lead to inequality if benefits aren't shared widely. Climate change poses threats to tourism and agriculture. Ensuring inclusive and sustainable growth is crucial for long-term success. The future of the Philippines depends on navigating opportunities and challenges. The demographic dividend and strong economic fundamentals are in place. The government must deliver on infrastructure promises and maintain a stable environment. Investing in education and skills is crucial for future jobs. Billionaires will deepen their presence, moving into sophisticated areas. Inclusive growth is key to a stable and attractive market. The Philippines is at a pivotal moment, capturing global investors' attention. If successful, it could transform into one of the region's leading economies.